To change gallery album cover image on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up Picture Gallery. Then in here, tap on Albums at the bottom. Then from here, open up the album. Next, tap on the More button. Then go down and tap on Album Settings. Then tap on Change Cover Image. Now select a cover image that you would like to use. I'll resize the picture and then tap on Applied. Now tap on the back key. And that is how you can change the cover image for an album in Gallery. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.